Italmec is a leading designer and producer of dry filter dust extraction cabinets. Once the operator has carried out a brief routine check, the machine can be started up. Air dry has been made highly efficient by years of engineering, which means that your workplace is cleaner, safer, and complies with current industry regulations. Furthermore, its great versatility means that the operator is able to move with complete freedom during each processing phase. The extraction system consists of quiet, high-power fans that generate extremely efficient suction. Its filters ensure that filtering performance is up to 99% efficient. The dust is caught in the filters and sent to easy-to-empty drawers. This phase, known as the self-cleaning cycle, is completely automatic. The dust-free air is then released into the environment. The self-cleaning cycles are a key part of the process, but Italmec recommends that the filters are cleaned manually at least once a year in order to ensure that the cabinet is always operating at peak efficiency.